Yo, check it out. Here's the new Alt1 ringtone sound test in iOS 26 Beta 2. You can grab it right now on your iPhone and set it as your ringtone super easy. And yeah, if you wanna, you can also use the GarageBand app to slap it on there as your main tone. My iPhone's already rocking iOS 26 Beta 2, and this new ringtone dropped with that update. Want to see if you got it too? Head over to Settings, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, then scroll again to Ringtone, and look for that Alt1 right under the Reflection section. Give it a listen. It's chill, smooth, and kind of like a remixed version of the original Reflection tone. Want to download it straight to your phone? I got you. Hit the link in the video description or check the pinned comment below. After you've downloaded it, make sure to peep my separate tutorial on the fresh new way to set it as your iPhone ringtone in iOS 26. Hope this helped y'all out. Got any questions? Drop them down in the comments, and yo, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new updates. Peace.